How to block ads on Android. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily block ads on Android. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The first thing you want to do is simply head over to your settings menu and then tap on connections. Now from here, you're just going to go ahead and check your DNS. For that, tap on more connection settings, and then from here, just tap on private DNS. So what you're going to do is create your own private DNS, and you're going to type in this host name right here, which is dns.adguard.com, and then simply tap on save. Now, after doing this, a majority of the ads will be blocked on your Android device, but if you're still facing ads on your Google Chrome or any other browser, what you can try to do is open up your browser first, and from here, what you're going to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and then find the settings menu. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down a bit until you find a settings called Site Settings, and then tap on it. Now from here you'll have different options like location, camera, microphone, NFC, and then many more devices. So just scroll down a bit, and from here you will find pop-up and redirects. So just tap on this and you are going to disable pop-up and redirects. So after doing that, you're going to tap on intrusive ads, and from here, if you want, any site that you visit can show any ad to you. If this is turned on, just turn it off and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.